Alright guys, today we deliver a Viking hot tub. This spa is 78 inches by 78 inches, weighs just under 500 pounds or 225 kg. We're going to slide it off the trailer, put it onto the deck, and put it in position. So here we go. Oh yeah, and it is a hot and humid Tennessee afternoon. Wow, I was sweating so hard, but it's all good. Well, there you go, another safe delivery. The tub was not damaged. I was not injured. I'm telling you, it was hot and humid. I thought I was going to pass out, but all is good. The customer's happy. And, man, they live on the river, and that's some good stuff.